Hello guys. Life life update of living here in Pakistan. So now I'm finished my breakfast and then uh I put in the cloth I put in the hang. So now I come back in my room for a minute because I want to do something. What kind of something? Hi guys, so hot. I don't know what happened. No sun but so hot. Yes, no sun. What's the time? Oh, 10:20. I'm so sad because my mobile again not working. Oh my god. I don't know what happened my mobile guys. That is I I last time I go to oh what kind of it's different. Look, right? Look, it's different. It's a vitamin C is different. Yeah, but then it's 30 tablet, chewable for health, immune system, antioxidant protection. Oh, it's so hot, guys. I'm so sad because my mobile again not working. So I try to put in the downside of the rice, maybe working, and then I leave it in 10 to 30 minutes. So yes, nice. Mm, it's better na I'm not go to the shop for fix it. Oh my god. I go to the shop for fix for good work, but now oh my god not working. I'm so sad because of that. Because when I on not quickly open and yes I don't like that. But next my holiday I go to the shop and fix because it's my old mobile. Yes, it's my old mobile. And this mobile is not mine. This is for my daughter. So yan, yes guys. But this also is after if become 50% so become quickly off and on, quickly restart. I don't know what happened this mobile. Yeah, it's old, but it's okay. We can handle it. So now, guys, I go downstairs for a while. So now I come just for my vitamins because My husband is always remind me. Oh my God, I'm also tell him to her uh, medicine also, because he has uh, high blood sugar. High blood sugar. High blood sugar. Yes, guys. So now I go back to my downstairs because I need to go there, and because this time madam is wake up and get breakfast like that, guys. So now I need to go bye bye and Allah Hafiz. That is my life update here in Pakistan. That is my work every day. Not every day, because this is not my madam home. When I go back there, so other work, whole home I work. Yeah, so bye bye guys. Allah Hafiz.